Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my link tree. I do have that link in the bio. I have a special treat for you. Your word of the day is gratitude is an attitude. Positivity is going to take you to the next place. You don't go into your blessing, to your promised land, into your manifestation, and then start doing the character carving and changing, and then start being grateful for your life. You praise in the dark. You praise when you have the minimum, because all your needs are met. That's worth praising right now. You can sustain and live a great life right now. If nothing changed, you'll be able to maintain. You have all your needs met. That's worth praising. That's worth having gratitude and joy for. Therefore, when you praise in the dark and with the minimum, Lord, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, they know that you're going to praise in the light, in the penthouse, in the mansion. So let's start praising now. I'm aware of the light in my life. I direct my thoughts to the beauty in and around me. I give thanks to God for every little thing that brings me joy. Thus, I enlighten my thoughts, riches surround me, and I appreciate all that life brings me. Be grateful for the smallest things. The smallest thing could be a huge trampoline to bring you to joy, laughing at yourself, breathing, laughing at a clumsy dog, laughing at a clumsy baby. Just being able to be appreciative of the small things will take you a long way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.